professional is looking. The base map of the University of Jos main campus. Look at the quality and the quality of everything we've done. Okay, so that is for PDF. Now for the TIFF file, you can actually open it. This is actually a very good quality of image file format. You can save it as JPEG, you can save it as PNG. Some CAD program allow you to save it as SVGs. Some allow you to save it as BMPs. But this TIFF is very powerful. You can actually take it to slides. You can take it to your Microsoft documents. Maybe when you are presenting, it's clearer than JPEG and PNGs. So this is a TIFF format, TIF. Okay, so that is that. Now let's go back to our work. Okay, now let's go back to our work. Now I said we'll be saving it in two file formats. Then now you see, if I zoom in, it's highlighted already. This is highlighted. So what I'll do is I'll just come here and click on the image, and you can see the image is overlaid. Now if you save this work like that, it doesn't look very nice. What we need to do, we need to adjust the transparency or the opacity of the raster image, that's the background image, so that it will enable us to be able to give more attention to our work, not the entire satellite image. So what we'll do, we come here, you right click, you left click, locate properties, allow it to load. Then you come to display the transparency. Let's take it to 50 and apply. Good, I believe this is perfect. This is perfect. No, let's take it further to maybe 60 and see. It's supposed to be as very faded, so that our work will be on screen and it will be at the background. Okay, something like this is better. Or if you want to take it more, take it to 80, or let that at 70. Apply. Okay, that's better. This is better. What we'll do is, since we have additional satellite image at the background, it means we need new legend. So we'll come down here. Now before we do that, we can actually click twice here to change the name. Let's say satellite image, satellite image. Okay, it's okay like that. Then we'll click on, if you do not select this, you have to select it. You select this, and then we'll come to insert legend. What I normally do, if I'm setting up what I want, I'll just multiple click next and wait for it to load. Okay, I'll multiple click. It will take longer. Okay, now there you have it. It's in screen. Then I'll click on, okay, let's not be making confusions. Let's delete this first, then we'll bring this. Then what we'll do, adjust everything here this way to make space for so I'm adjusting. All right, I actually adjust it too. So there you have it. Adjust this properly. Sorry. Okay, So we are done. We'll just come to file, we export. Let's wait for it to load. It's loading, it's coming up. Now let's call this UniJust georeference 2. Then we'll save it. If not, to overwrite what we have saved earlier. It's loading. There you have it. Let's also save it as a TIFF. Export. We also call it 2, and then file, type exam, TIFF. You can see SVGs, PNBs, you know. Let's try SVG. Save it as SVG. Save. Okay, save it. That's perfect. Okay, now what we'll do now is add up our graticles without the grids. Okay, so what we'll do, highlight here, highlight the biggest area, right click, go to property. Then what we do, this is highlighted, we remove grid, remove and apply. There you have it. It's empty. So what you do is highlight it again, you right click, you go to properties, you add new, like it to be measured. You can use this these two, but I prefer using this measured, standard. We want only labels without the grid. Next it, next it, and next it. You apply, and there you have it. This is better because actually allows for the clear view. Okay, so it depends on what you want. Okay, so let's quickly save this, export. Now I've export. Let's export as PDF. Save. Let's call it georeference 3. Just georeference 3, and I'm also going to save it in another file. I'm trying to save it in multiple file formats for us to be conversant with. Okay, all right, now let's write on. This time around I'm saving it alternatively as, let's choose PNG. Let's wait for it to load. Now we save it as or BPM, anyone you choose. They are all file formats, or EMF or EPS or AI. I think that is this Adobe Illustrator. Let's take it to this PNG, or just for fun sake, let's take it to this. You can try a lot of formats. It's saving. There you have it. Now let's go to our folder and see the file formats we have. Now this is the SVG we saved. You can't open SVG except in Chrome or a browser, so let's try to open it on that browser. Yes, we choose Chrome. Okay, let's see what we have. It's loading. Let's allow it to load. Now there we have it. Now this image is an SVG, and you can see it's even having a URL. This is a URL. Okay, this is an SVG. Then this, you can actually click here to see the property so that you see the file type. Okay, this is TIFF. Okay, and this one that we saved, I saved another one as I saved one as, is it this one? Let's check, as AI. Okay, this Adobe Illustrator. I don't have Adobe Illustrator on my PC, that's why it's showing me blank. Okay, so all what you have